क्या आपको अपना वो जोश, वो जुनून, वो एनर्जी, वो एंथुजियाज्म जिसके साथ आपने ये सफ़र शुरू करा था अपनी सक्सेस, अपने ड्रीम्स को अचीव करने का, वो जो गाड़ी आपने सिटी से हटाकर हाईवे पे डाली थी बिकॉज आपको लीग में नहीं चलना था, लीग से कुछ हट के करना था, उसको बरकरार, उस एनर्जी को बरकरार करने के लिए, उस मोमेंटम को मेंटेन करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल आ रही है एंड यू आर फीलिंग राइट नाउ वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी द रिजल्ट्स दैट you desire, then in this video I'm going to share 6 simple tips which is going to get back to that momentum and that energy level. Well, tip number 1, become aware of your thoughts, that is become mindful. I always say that law of attraction कहता है कि जो भी आप चीज़ पे एनर्जी देते हैं, फोकस करते हैं, वो चीज़ ज़्यादा ग्रो होती है. Right now what is happening with you, you are actually throwing your energy and focusing on one thing. This is not working, this is not working, or maybe I'm not getting result, I'm not getting result, and that is what you are attracting more. So just become aware of those thoughts and replace it. Replace with a big why. Remind yourself कि आपने इस जर्नी को क्यों स्टार्ट किया था. What was the reason behind that you wanted to start your journey? What was that big dream of yours that you wanted to achieve? खुजली तो आपको हुई है ना, तो मिटानी भी आप ही को पड़ेगी. Remember that thing. Step 2. Now get used to the idea of rejecting the rejections. बहुत सारा सफ़र में ऐसी चीज़ें मिलेंगी बिकॉज आपका ड्रीम कुछ छोटा सा नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा सा. दैट यू विल फेस लॉट ऑफ रिजेक्शंस, मे बी नॉट वंस, यू फेस अ नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. Maybe you are trying to sell some products and every time you try to sell your products you don't get any buyers for that thing and you feel so hopeless. That's perfectly fine. For that thing I'll just tell you about one singer. She's a Mumbai based singer. I was listening to her once and she said that big thanks, she gives thanks to all the Mumbai taxi walas because they get her used to the habit of listening to no. क्योंकि वो एक बार बोलेगी भैया जू चलना है तो वो बोलेंगे नो, भैया आपको चलना, नो. शी सेड नेवर इन माई लाइफ टिल द टाइम आई स्टेड इन मुंबई आई ऑल गॉट टू नो येस. एक बार में तो किसी ने भी कभी हाँ नहीं करा एंड दैट रियली हेल्प मी इन माई ऑडिशंस. एंड व्हेन शी वेंट फॉर द ऑडिशंस शी वाज रिजेक्टेड सो मेनी टाइम्स. शी वाज परफेक्टली फाइन बिकॉज शी गॉट यूज टू द she got into the habit of listening no. So she was perfectly fine there and finally she became a very good singer and professional singer and has name and fame. So get used to that idea. This comes in everybody's life because जब आप कुछ सब ऐसा करने की कोशिश करते हैं जो बहुत हट के होता है लीग से और आपका ड्रीम बहुत बड़ा होता है तो रिजेक्शंस तो आएंगे ही आएंगे. Step number 3, you can always remember one thing, that because you are driving a car now on the highway, it's not in the city. Now this highway is going to have barricades, going to be speed breakers, and yes, the toll taxes, lot of toll taxes which is going to drain your energy like anything. इसका मतलब है कई बार ऐसे obstacles आएंगे आपकी लाइफ में जब आप बिल्कुल हताश हो जाएंगे और आपको लगेगा कि this is not working and I should better quit on that thing. This is a time to take short breaks. Yes, you can always take short breaks. आप अपनी गाड़ी को पार्क करिए साइड पे. आपकी गाड़ी is also needing fuel and to be filled, refilled. In fact, it needs coolant. आपको coolant देने की जरूरत है. अपनी बैटरी कार की रिचार्ज करवाने की ज़रूरत है. Now this car is like your efforts जो आप पूरी तरह से डाल रहे हैं, पर अगर आप कंटिन्यूसली डालते हैं और उसे बिल्कुल ब्रेक नहीं देते हैं उसमें क्या होता है, यू आर ट्रेंचिंग योर सेल्फ इमोशनली, फिजिकली. सो गिव योर सेल्फ शॉर्ट ब्रेक्स, टेक अ ट्रीट, have something good, go out for a movie, just forget about your goal for at least few minutes or a day or two ka break लीजिए. Then you will see how when you come back you have a lot of momentum and lot of energy. The next step is of remain motivating yourself and that too daily basis. Zig Ziglar said once that people often say that thing, that motivation does not last forever. So does bathing. That is why we recommend it daily. Yes, because it is not possible for you to stay motivated all the time if you're not feeding your data with a positive energy every day. So you have to use affirmations. Affirmations एक positive statements हैं. जो भी आपका goal है उसके लिए आप अपने affirmations बनाइए in the present tense और उसे रोज के रोज repeat करिए. For example, if you want good health, then you can keep repeating that I'm healthy, I'm well, I'm healthy, I'm fit. And if you want wealth, you can say I'm wealthy, I'm rich, I love it, I deserve it, and say it with a lot of energy and keep reminding yourself with that thing because that will keep you motivated. it, and it will also build new neural pathways जो कि बहुत strong होते जाएंगे with your repetition. If you keep doing it, it is sending the, building new neural pathways and sending the command to your subconscious mind, which will attract those things in your life which you want. Step next, goals. You can always reassess where exactly you are going wrong, and then you can come back. Now be open to your feedbacks here. आप अपने feedbacks को check करिए, maybe analyzing the data, maybe open to suggestions, advices, as well as look at the criticism also. Then work your goals and your actions को उसी alignment में आप वापस लाइए कि जिससे कि workable हो जाए. Maybe there is some missing link, you can find it out. Next step, what you can do is you can always remember to commit yourself to keep going and improve on your skill. Now, it is very important that whatever task or whatever goal you're pursuing, you have to keep on building, because we are always work in progress. इंसान हमेशा एक work in progress है, and you have to keep building that skill by repeating it again, by practicing it again and again. For that, Bruce Lee once said that I fear not the man who practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who practiced one kick 10,000 times. That's very true, because जो इंसान एक ही स्किल के ऊपर बार बार फोकस करके अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करेगा, उसका डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे होंगे. And yes, on the last I would only say, look for the clues that people who have left for you. आप जिस भी जर्नी पे चल रहे हैं, if you are looking for your professional goals, career goals, health goals और relationship goals, किसी ना किसी इंसान ने डेफिनेटली उसमें benchmarking करी होगी, कुछ ना कुछ छोड़ा होगा. उन clues को ढूंढिए, maybe in the form of books, in the form of audios, wherever you can hear them, you can find out what works and what doesn't work. Even if you require some coach, you can always take help with that thing. I hope these tips helps you, and before I leave, I want you today to set an intention and put it in the comment box below. What is one thing that you commit to do from today onwards?